You leave the dentist with a treatment plan, a bill, and absolutely no idea what just happened. Nobody explains what a 4mm pocket means. Nobody tells you why you need a crown instead of a filling. Nobody breaks down why dental work costs what it costs, or whether you actually need all of it. You're expected to just nod and pay. That's what this channel is for. I'm a dentist. Every week, I take one thing your dentist said, and I explain exactly what it means, why it matters, and what you should actually do about it. No jargon, no upselling, just straight answers. Deep cleanings, crowns, gum disease, x-rays, fillings, bone loss, all of it. Explained like you're sitting across from me in plain English. If you've ever left a dental appointment more confused than when you walked in, this channel is for you. Hit subscribe, new video every week. I'm Ask a Dentist. Let's get into it.